filter is just a filter. So I added here a EQ. If I engage the filter, it kind of looks like this. I tried here, at first I tried to kind of make the knob behave in a similar way, but it would lose the information of knowing the hertz of the cutoff point here, so I figured I wouldn't really care. I would rather want to know where I'm cutting off rather than the behavior of the knob itself. With the resonance knob, I tried to follow the curve of, like the parametric curve that the resonance knob does in Camel, which is this transfer curve. So I used EQ curve analyzer to analyze what happens to this EQ. But when I engage the resonance here, let's say in my plugin, it's not linear. I wanted to match this curve as close as possible to what this resonance knob does, so that if it's at 50% in the middle, then the resonance in my filter matches the resonance of Camel, and that's just that was just trial and error, finding a curve that I like, inspecting a bunch of values and fitting roughly this, and I'm satisfied. At the end of the day, this is close enough, and this I guess kind of patch, this plugin is at a state where I like it now. And then I have the master here, which is basically just the clipper and the mix and the level. And that's it. So that is what the patch looks like. It's just a bunch of math, and I use method of constraint to do it. Find the constraints. What does the function need to abide by? Make an assumption on what the function should look like with some general parameters, and then derive those parameters using the constraints that you set up. And then in Bitwig, I could just literally do the math. And that's also how I did the circle. So yeah, that's how I did it.